Alex here from Easy Delicious Cooking. Tell me something. Is tabbouleh your vibrant, healthy go-to salad that's delicious and easy to make? Yes, it is. It's a simple, refreshing, super healthy side dish and perfect for your friends and family. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Alex here from Easy Delicious Cooking. Today I'm preparing a vibrant, healthy salad that's easy and quick to make. Of course I'm talking about tabbouleh with my own not so common twist. So let's not waste any more time. So here we go. The ingredients: burgul, mint, tomatoes, cucumber, lots and lots of parsley, some spring onions, red onion, and this is the twist, the pomegranate and the lemon, olive oil and the salt. Simple ingredients, amazing results. First things first, I'm going to soak the burgul in the juice of one lemon. I like lemon, you don't have to put a whole lemon in. Then I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of virgin olive oil, and adjust the taste, and then let it sit for whatever time, usually 15-20 minutes, half an hour depending, so that the burgul will absorb all the lemon juice. So when we add this, it's full of flavor. So let's cut the lemon, very easy, and just squeeze it in. It will be very lemony, but don't forget this is going to mix in with all the other ingredients. So once we've done that, we add a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add both lemons, and some salt. And let this as well. Beautiful lemons, very juicy. A friend of mine gave me the lemons from their tree. So we'll mix this in. And just taste it. It'll be very lemony, I know that already. So what I'm tasting for now is the olive oil and the salt. Fine. Let it sit there until all the juices have been absorbed. Let's prepare the cucumber first, so I'll peel it. Cut it in half, and then so we end up with some small pieces of cucumber, which is what we want. So easy. Very, very easy. Anyway, cucumber's done. The next thing we'll do is, let's pick the spring onions, I guess. It's as good as anything. So, I'll use 3 small spring onions. I'll clean them up and chop them finely, and then I'll get back to you. Cucumbers and spring onions are done. I've got 2 tomatoes here. I'm going to destem them, wash them. And then I'll show you what I do with the tomatoes. I'll be back in a sec. So with these, I basically want to take all the seeds out, and I'm just going to use the skin on the outside. So with the tomatoes, I'm going to take all the seeds out. And I'll just be left with the outside skin. And that's what I want. Once we've got that, we slice the skin like this, and then I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. And I'll do that for both tomatoes, and I will get back to you. So I've got the tomatoes and the cucumbers in here. So what I'm going to do now is salt them. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing out all the excess liquid, because I don't want the tabbouleh to be very wet when I put it all together. So put the salt in. The salt will do the job. Mix them together and leave it aside. When time comes to use it, I'll just drain the excess liquid that comes out, and I'll just use the cucumbers and the tomatoes. So leave that aside, and just as a recap, look at the tabbouleh. It's already absorbed all that lemon juice and the olive oil, so it's well and truly getting there. Okay, next I'm gonna finely dice this one large red onion. The recipe calls for 2 smaller ones, so it's the same thing. So you've seen me do this a few times, so I won't bore you. I'll get back to you when it's all done. So what I will do now is start putting all these elements into the large bowl that I've got to mix them all together. So get this large bowl out. And start putting them in there. Now, with the tomatoes and the cucumbers, leave that aside because I want that liquid to be drawn out. In goes the spring onions. So what I'm going to do now, of course, is the parsley. I've just grabbed some parsley. I've cut the stems out because they're pretty strong. Cut these in half. Now these will go in the food processor with the mint, and when it's all chopped up, I'm just going to go into the large bowl. The first batch, and that's what I'm after. It's not completely chopped up, so there's still quite a bit of texture to it. And if I may, the smell of the parsley coming through is just, I love it. Okay, so what we do now is we'll just add the parsley in here. There's and once we're all done, I'll come back to you with the finished product. Okay. So there's all the parsley that's been processed. Mix the spring onions and the red onions together. and you should be here to smell this. The burgul has absorbed all the lemon juice and the oil. So that goes in. Mix that well. Don't want to put too much in burgul, but this should be adequate. Now, the tomato and the cucumbers haven't actually released any liquid. Okay, so that's fine. In they go now. Again, mix this all together. The crucial part of this cooking process is to taste it. So okay, I can tell you it needs olive oil. And I can tell you that it needs salt. So keep mixing that. So now this is what you'll be doing too. Mix it and taste it. And what you're doing is you're adjusting the flavour, the taste, to what you like. I keep saying that, but that's important. Okay, so don't forget the pomegranate is going to go in next. So another spoon. Let's taste that. Yum. Needs a bit more lemon. So I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you after I get the lemon and squeeze it in. Okay. Okay, so the mixture is done. So now the pomegranate. I can never be sure about how to do these. So what I normally will do is I'll find the line kind of, and I'm gonna just cut it in half, and I'm gonna use half the seeds of the pomegranate. So let's just do it. There we go. Okay, I've done it. Now I'm just gonna empty them in there. So I'll get back to you. So basically I'm just going to break the pomegranate and just take out all the seeds out. Little red rubies. Not only does it taste amazing, but it looks the part as well. Here's half the seed. Now I'm just going to mix that in. So there we go, it's been mixed in. So now we'll just get another spoon and taste it. Oh my God. I'm lost for words again. Amazing. Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed what I made. In fact, I hope that you make it. It's not hard to do. It's unbelievably healthy. It will complement most meals that you make, and it is, the flavor is, again, easy, delicious cooking, the name of my channel. So if you did and you like what I've done, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. It is, as always, much appreciated. Goodbye for now. Till the next time in my next video, this is Alex.